Welcome to another cold episode in our brand new restoration shop. As you can see, we've got our work cut out for us. So to kind of break the suspense here, this is our new restoration shop for the museum. So not for me, because my home shop's actually bigger than this, and it turns out. So this whole shop here is about 20 by 30. So 20 deep, 30 long. And what we're gonna do is turn this into Kellogg's first engine, exhibit, and restoration hall. So it's gonna be a working part of the museum. We're gonna be working on this continuously through the next few months. So make sure you're subscribed because this is gonna be a follow along series. We got a lot of work to do. We have big plans. We're planning on putting a gas station replica in here somehow in the corner. We're gonna have room for the Studebaker. We also have a few other vehicles that are gonna be coming into this space that we're gonna round up through other parts of the museum. We're gonna try and find all the automotive artifacts and bring them all into one place. So that's what's coming in the next few months. But right now we just kind of want to take you through, show you the space. It is, as you would say, eclectic at the moment. So we had all this, if you remember when we first found the Studebaker in here, all this garage sale stuff. So we have to go through, clean all of this out. And you can see there's stuff in the rafters. Some of that's kind of cool, actually.
Yeah,
we got some.
Use some of that wood.
I would say we got boards up here. You know, maybe we can use some of this stuff. But I mean, the whole space is ours to do with what we want. We have a $4,000 max budget that we can kind of play around with. $4,000 is not going to go very far at all. So it's all going to be about recycling things we can find, making use. Scrounging around. We're good at that at this point.
We got to get creative, but that's where things really get cool, you know?
Definitely got to get creative. Yeah. But yeah, let me take you around here really quick. So, you know, we got some just ladders hanging out here. We got, I don't know if those are drawers up there. We got shades. I don't even know, like, if there's the power situation in here. Like, is there a fuse box in here anywhere? We got to figure out wiring. We got to get all of this stuff moved out of here somewhere and shoved somewhere else. We might be able to repurpose some of these cabinets. You can see our brickwork isn't the best. And then
that's not leaking.
Oh yeah, up here we definitely have some rottage.
Yeah.
That's gonna be that could be a problem. Or maybe
we'll find out.
We'll find out. But we want to try and preserve, I mean, I know the brick's not in the best shape, but preserve as much of this as we can because, I mean, this is what's going to make this somewhat cool anyway.
Yeah.
And I think once we get some of this out of here, I mean, it's going to fill up quick again, but I think it'll look a lot cooler in here once we start going. But
it'll be organized chaos instead of just chaos.
Yeah. The funny part is there's windows in here, and they're modern-ish windows, like decent windows, but they walled over it. I mean, there's nothing to see back here because that's tin behind it, so I don't know what the point was of that.
It has like a steel casing around it.
Yeah, it's basically just to keep it from rotting away.
Yeah.
And I'm sure the wiring situation, if we got one circuit or two in here,
yeah,
here's a panel.
Here's the board.
Yeah. Wow.
Old.
We got a 40 amp out here?
Looks like
30, 50. I don't know what controls what. I don't even know. Looks like some of that power goes out.
Yeah.
I might have to get my electric guy in here to take a look at this, and then he's probably gonna roll his eyes at me.
Especially since a lot of the plugins that we tried working with when we worked on the truck didn't work.
Yeah.
And we had to use our handy dandy steel wheel and
our little stand here.
With our test light, of course.
Which is now burnt out.
Yeah.
But yeah, you can see it's just mountains of junk and donated furniture and stuff that it all needs to leave because
somewhere else in the museum or just go elsewhere, you know?
But we have a lot of cool stuff that needs to come in here. But it's freezing. It's like below zero outside and it's like 5 degrees inside here. So
classic Iowa December.
Heating, I think we could make this work with just like a fan, an overhead fan in here.
Yeah.
In the summer, because we can just open up the garage door over here but definitely gonna need some kind of heat out here. It's cold.
Yeah.
I don't know if my breath shows up on camera or not, probably not. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be up to over the winter. The Blacktop Nomad and the Kellogg Museum, we're gonna be working on another project, and we're gonna make it cool because that's what we do. So
make a new home for our Studebaker where it feels welcome instead of just stacked with stuff.
And because there's nothing wrong with the barn we have it in now, it just doesn't fit the theme. And we, like I said, we have so much cool automotive stuff, which we're gonna start showing you guys in the next few videos. We're just gonna walk around and take an inventory of what we find here in the museum. And we're gonna make that one whole video where we just go through and be like, that's going, that's going, that's going.
And our small little town of Kellogg has more of an automotive history and past than we
as we're learning.
So.
So yeah, we're gonna kind of let you guys in on that. But that is a briefest of overviews of our wonderful new space. It's not a lot, but it's ours.
It'll do.
It'll do. It's gonna be great, I think. So make sure you guys are subscribed, tune in. Let us know if you got any thoughts about how you think this place should look, because our goal now is to have this open by spring when the museum opens to the public, so you guys can come check this out for yourselves. So again, make sure you subscribe, make sure you're following along with this build, because you're not gonna wanna miss all the updates on this. But we will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.